Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. My name's Simon. I'm going to be doing a quick product review on this Bosch series right here. It is the B36 CT80 SNB, the 800 series French door in true black stainless. It has a very beautiful outside look right here. It is actually going to be true counter depth, so the hinges on the top are flush with the top of the refrigerator. Also, the feet are really well hidden, so when it goes into the unit, it will actually be a true counter depth. Also, it's going to have the water filter and the ice on the inside of the unit as well. Ice is going to be down here, water is going to be up there. So it just gives that overall very sleek look to the unit. Also, a really cool feature about this fridge is that when you are coming in to do your groceries and you're putting them away into the refrigerator, it will cool down the overall temperature of the unit so that nothing gets warm or anything doesn't get defrosted during that time while you are loading up the refrigerator. Also, it does come with this feature called Vita Fresh or Vita Fresh. I'm not entirely sure how it's pronounced, but basically it will come with all these pre-programmed modes to affect the humidity and the temperature control. It's all pre-programmed, so there isn't anything you have to do with that, which is really awesome. Also, it does come with this really interesting little egg tray dish at the back there. You can store all your eggs and all that kind of stuff. And then also it does have all this really cool technology called Super Cool, which just typically will keep everything really cool throughout the time. Also, it does come with this thing called the Home Connect app, which you will download on your phone. That will run a full diagnostic report on the refrigerator, and also it notifies you if the doors are left ajar when you go out to work or whatever, for some reason you left it open. It will leave you a notification on your phone saying, hey, you left your fridge open, go home and close it. Nice little energy saving tip there for you. Yeah, so that's all I have on this right now. Don't forget to like and subscribe on our channel for Appliance Factory. There are so many features on this refrigerator. Please feel free to visit our website at appliancefactory.com and look those over. It's a fantastic looking refrigerator, great finish. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys.